Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix background noises in BandLab recording. When recording in BandLab, background noise like hums, fan sounds or room echo can reduce the quality of your track, and BandLab offers tools like techniques to reduce or remove unwanted noise, and including the noise gauge, EQ adjustment and effects cleaning up audio makes your mix clearer and more professional. So first, open any of the web browser that you prefer, and over here in the top you can find to this address bar, type down bandlab.com and enter it. Once you get into this interface of a BandLab, make sure to log in. You can simply go to this create in the top right, or you can also go to the draft project. As I'm going to select draft project here, it will automatically open to the studio as well. And the second thing is you can also use the EQ to reduce noise. You can open to this FX effects on the bottom here and select to this add effect here. On the left hand side we can find this EQ. Click onto this EQ here, and over here you can also add movement to your track, add vocal verb, clean reverb for an uncolored ambience, or you can simply double click to this clip here and you can select to this normalize and voice cleaner on the bottom. That is it. This is how you can fix background noises in BandLab recordings. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.